Making sense of commas in conditionals. Hello learners! Today we're going to dive into a fascinating, yet often overlooked topic. Comma usage in conditionals. It might seem like a minor point, but the correct use of commas can make a big difference in how your English is understood. It's all about clarity and correctness. To understand the role of commas in conditionals, we first need to be clear on what conditionals are. Conditionals are sentences that explain a condition and its consequence. They are often divided into four types: 0, first, second, and third conditionals, each representing a different degree of likelihood or time. Now, why are commas so important in conditionals? Well, commas act as a pause in sentences and play a crucial role in maintaining the flow and clarity of meaning. In conditionals, they're usually used to separate the condition clause from the main clause. Remember, though, that their usage differs slightly based on the order of the clauses. When the condition clause comes first in the sentence, we use a comma to separate it from the main clause. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Unless you study hard, you will not pass the exam. You see, the comma comes right after the condition clause, indicating a short pause before we move on to the main clause. But what happens when the main clause comes first? This time, there's no need for a comma. Here are some examples. I will stay at home if it rains. You will not pass the exam unless you study hard. In these sentences, the flow is smooth without a comma, making the condition clause seamlessly connected to the main clause. One of the most common mistakes learners make is using a comma when the main clause comes first. This incorrect usage disrupts the flow of the sentence and might confuse readers or listeners. Incorrect: I will stay at home if it rains. Correct: I will stay at home if it rains. Remember, only use a comma when the condition clause comes before the main clause. And there you have it. We've learned about the significance of comma usage in conditionals. By keeping these rules in mind, you'll be sure to express yourself more clearly and accurately. As with all things in language learning, practice is key. Try making your own sentences with conditionals and pay careful attention to where you place your commas. Remember, every tiny detail matters when you're aiming for mastery in English. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more insightful lessons. Happy learning!